Enjoying a fall burn while we're cooking dinner. Never got above 60 today. So we have mango. We have lots of other great things we'll get back to. But what are we making now, Liz?
Which way did my man go chicken? It's actually a Thai mango chicken.
Which way did my mango chicken go? How are we going to cook it?
We're going to cook it. All right, so we've got you can use a pound of chicken breast or thighs. We chose to use thighs because we had them and it was easy. So you're going to take those, you're going to cut them up into little 2-inch pieces and then toss them in a cup of flour with a teaspoon of salt. Mix them up really good, and then you're going to cook them in a wok. You're going to cook them in a 1/4 cup of vegetable oil. And then when they cook through, you're going to take them out, which will take about 5 or 6 minutes. Let them drain on a paper towel and sit them aside.
Going right here.
Oh,
right here.
This. Yeah. Okay, so this is some basmati rice, which we're going to put the chicken on after it's done. Just some white rice, basmati rice. And if you want to go ahead and start cooking that ahead of time, you can, because it takes about 20 minutes.
Perfect. Thank you.
Which way did my man go? Chicken.
And you're stir frying the chicken?
Yeah, I'm stir frying the chicken. And I don't know if it's going to taste good, but you know what? I'm pretty excited about all the seasonings because I love red pepper and mango and ginger and soy sauce and red pepper flakes. And I mean, I think, how can it be bad?
Well, maybe
right? Oh, it's going great. So this is the floured chicken with a little oil, and all of that flouredness,
flour,
if that's a word, is going to help absorb all of our sauce that we're going to make for the mango chicken. So this is just stirring in here, and you know, this is probably really boring. I mean, you don't care that we're making mango chicken, or you know, which way did my man go chicken? I mean, we don't even care, but it's just fun.
Yeah, but we were gonna make "Don't Rub Me the Wrong Way" chicken,
but no one rubbed anyone the wrong way. So
we switched tacks and we went with this. I got a theme song for your chicken.
Okay.
Which way did my man go? Have you seen him walk on by? Which way did my man go? Have you seen him walk on by?
I like it. It's perfect. So I have taken some mango chunks, like a handful, some red chili pepper, rice vinegar, soy sauce. And when I say I'm adding these things, about a tablespoon of each of these ingredients: soy sauce, lime juice, brown sugar, garlic, it's actually 2 cloves, turmeric, and I put it in the food processor and blended it until it was smooth, and this is what we have. And so what we're going to do is we're going to warm this up in our wok and over medium heat, and then we're going to add some red pepper to it. And so
that's great.
Yeah, I know. So now what I'm going to add to this is sliced up red bell pepper.
Nice.
We're going to add that and stir it around.
Okay. How long does that go for?
Not very long. Actually, we're just going to stir this around.
Okay.
And
check back in with you.
Yeah, the sauce we sauteed with some red bell pepper. The chicken's been added, and it's ready to go on top of some white rice.
And you had some, you had ginger and garlic, right?
Yeah.
It's the toasted peanut squash, and it's going to go as a side dish with the chicken and rice. Beautiful.
This is what we ended up with. Mango and red pepper.
Oh, great.
Over the white rice.
God, it looks so nice.
There's more mango on there.
Nice.
You need some more.
Where did my mango chicken?
Yes,
It ended up right here on your plate.
right here.
It did not walk too far away.
Not too far away.
It didn't go over here or there, but it's
No.
right here.
And it's yummy.
Peanuts. And then you dive in here and you get some of this beautiful chicken with a little red pepper on it. Like, so you get that red pepper on there, and it's tang, all those great spices. Oh my God, mango, amazing.
It's timed up perfectly, and you watch this young
I love this dinner.
control as time.
Where did my mango chicken
Yes.
It ended up right here on your